Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Worthy viewers, Assalamu alaikum. In my last lecture, I explained and solved passage number 1, which was based on reading and comprehension question. And let's solve passage number 2 today. The question is, read the passage carefully and answer the following questions. We know that before we read the whole passage, we must read the questions first, because this is pre-reading activity, as we have already learnt. We have to read the questions first. Question number 1 is, what are books for us? What are books for us? A source of pleasure, a great blessing. Question number 2, with what do the books acquaint us? With what do the books acquaint us? किताब असां खे छा सां आगाह रखनि था, छा जी आगाही फराहम कनि था? A, with personal thoughts, with the thoughts and experiences of our forefathers or ancestors. Question number 3, what do books contribute in our loneliness? What do books contribute in our loneliness? तन्हाई में, अकेलाई में, अकेला में किताब असां खे छा कंट्रीब्यूट कनि था, छा मुहैया कनि था, छा ॾियनि था? They horrify us, they feed us, they console us. Question number 4, which books may prove to be more dangerous than poisonous snakes? Which books may prove to be more dangerous than poisonous snakes? केड़ा किताब ज़हरीलन नांगन खां बि वधीक खतरनाक साबित थी सघनि? Option A, the books which provide us useful knowledge and information. Option B, the books which are lethal for our moral well-being. These are the questions which we have read first. Now let us read and comprehend the passage and underline the words which we see in the questions. Books are a great blessing. किताब वडी नेमत है. They are the essence of the experiences of centuries of human life. They are the essence of the experiences of centuries of human life. उहे इंसानी सजन जे तजुर्बन जो एसेंस आहिनि. एसेंस मीन्स स्टफ, निचूड़, सख्त, खुलासो. Word essence, I have written word essence. Essence means stuff, inner nature of thing, nichud. They acquaint us with the thoughts and experiences of our ancestors. They acquaint us with the thoughts and experiences of our ancestors. We means किताब असां जे आबाओ अजदाद जे तजुर्बात ऐं इफ़्कार थॉट्स ख्यालात खां असांखे आगाही ॾियनि था या वाक़िफ़ कनि था या ॼाण फराहम कनि था। In our moments of loneliness, they console us like sincere friends. असांजे तन्हाईअ जे लम्हनि में, असांजे अकेलाइप वारे लम्हनि में, they console us like sincere friends. उहे असांखे वफ़ादार दोस्तनि वांगुरु, सिंसियर फ्रेंड्स वांगुरु आथ ॾियनि था, दिलासो ॾियनि था, तसल्ली ॾियनि था, इत्मीनान ॾियनि था। And rid us to our horror of loneliness. Rid. This is a verb. Rid. Rid means to survive, to relieve. आयो असांखे अकेलाई वारे खौफ या वहशत खां निजात ॾियनि था। यानी अकेलाइप जो तन्हाईअ जो जेको तासुर आहे उहो ख़तम कंदा। They keep us acquainted with the ups and downs of life. They keep us acquainted with ups and downs of life by providing us a useful fund of knowledge and information. उहे असांखे मुफ़ीद इल्म, मुफ़ीद ॼाण फराहम कंदे असांखे ज़िंदगीअ जे नशेबो फराज़ खां वाक़िफ़ कनि था, ज़िंदगीअ जे लहनि चाढ़ियुनि खां आगाह कनि था। But we must not connive at one thing. पर असांखे हिक शइ खे नज़रअंदाज़ न करणु घुरिजे, उन ते चशमपोशी न करणु घुरिजे, उन ते पर्दो न पाइणु घुरिजे। Where most of the books are useful companions, जिते असांजे किताबनि जी अक्सरियत असांजी यूज़फुल कंपेनियंस, असांजा फ़ाइदेमंद या मुफ़ीद साथी या दोस्त आहिनि, उते some of them prove to be more dangerous than poisonous snakes. उते कुछ किताब ज़हरीलनि नांगनि खां बि वधीक ख़तरनाक साबित थियनि। These are books which are far more lethal for our moral well-being. ही उहे किताब आहिनि जेके असांजे अखलाक, मॉरल वेल-बीइंग, असांजे इथिकल, असांजे अखलाकी कदुरनि जे लाइ लेथल आहे। लेथल मीन्स डेडली, फेटल, मुहलिक, मोतमा, causing death. Something causing death is lethal. Coronavirus, it is a lethal disease. And proved to be more perilous than the worst of our enemies. And proved to be more perilous. Perilous means dangerous, furious. Than the worst of our enemies. बदतरीन दुश्मननि खां बि वधीक ख़तरनाक साबित थियनि था। असांजे बदतरीन दुश्मननि खां बि वधीक ख़तरनाक साबित। Therefore, we should observe the great caution in the selection of books for our study. तंहिं करे असांखे पंहिंजे मुताले जे किताबनि जे इंतखाब करण में वॾी ख्याल रखणो। Just as we should take proper care in the selection of circles of our friends, जहिड़ी तरह असां पंहिंजे हल्के अहबाब, पंहिंजे हल्के जे दोस्तनि जी सिलेक्शन जी चॉइस करण में प्रॉपर केयर कंदा आहियूं। Similarly, we should be very cautious in the choice of books. साॻी तरह सां असांखे किताबनि जे इंतखाब करण में, किताबनि जे चुनाव में, किताबनि जी चॉइस में असांखे we should be very cautious, असांखे खबरदार रहणो। Now we read the passage and to some extent we comprehended it. Now let's try to answer the questions which are given at its end. What are books for us? Question number 1. Books are a great blessing. Books are a great blessing. This is answer of question number 1. किताब असां जे लाइ छा आहिनि? The options of question number 1 are a source of pleasure, a great blessing. No doubt the books are also source of pleasure. इनमें कोई शक न आहे त किताब असांजे लाइ असांजे सोर्स ऑफ प्लेयर हूंदा आहिनि। पर as far as the question concerned with the passage, the answer will be a great blessing. The answer of question number 1 lies in this line. Question number 2. With what do the books acquaint us? किताब असांखे छा सां acquaintance कराईंदा आहिनि, वाक़फ़ियत कराईंदा आहिनि, आगाही ॾींदा आहिनि। With personal thoughts. Number B. With thoughts and experiences of our ancestors. Books acquaint us with the thoughts and experiences of our ancestors, of our forefathers. This is the answer of question number 2. This is question number 2 and its answer lies in the third line which we have underlined. Now question number 3. What do books contribute in our loneliness? किताब असांखे अकेला में, तन्हाई में छा कंट्रीब्यूट कंदा आहिनि, छा मुहैया कंदा आहिनि, छा ॾींदा आहिनि? In our moments of loneliness, they means the books console us like sincere friends. They console us like sincere friends. They sympathize us like sincere, devoted friends. Now the answer of question number 3 lies in this line. They console us like sincere friends. This is answer of question number 3. They horrify us in loneliness. Do the books horrify us? छा तन्हाई में किताब असांखे वहशत या खौफ ॾियंदा आहिनि? Do they feed us? छा उहे असांखे ताम मुहैया कंदा आहिनि? No. They console us. असांखे आथत ऐं दिलासो, फरहत ऐं तक़वियत ॾींदा आहिनि। They give us consolation and solace. They are the source of consolation in our loneliness. And even they rid us from the horror of loneliness. They rescue us from the horror of loneliness. उन तन्हाई, उन बेगाणप, उन अकेलाई जे उन एहसास के, उन अकेलाई जे उन समाज मां असांखे निजात ॾिए. Rid, it is verb, its past is rid, third form is also rid means rescue us, relieve us, निजात दे, आजो कर, छुटकारा दे. They keep us acquainted with the ups and downs of life by providing us useful fund of knowledge and information. Now question number 4. Which books may prove to be more dangerous than poisonous snakes? केड़ा किताब ज़हरीलन नागन खां बि वधीक खतरनाक साबित थियनि था? So let us trace out, let us detect out the answer of question number 4 from the given passage. Most of the books are useful companions. Some of them are proved to be more dangerous than poisonous snakes. These are those books which are far more lethal for our moral well-being. The books which are dangerous, which are lethal, which are deadly, which are fatal for our moral well-being, the books which lead us towards demoralization, which leads us to our moral downfall and decline, they are lethal and they are more dangerous than poisonous snakes. So the answer of question number 4 lies in this line. The books which provide us useful knowledge and information, they are not lethal, they are not more dangerous than the snakes, but the books which are lethal for our moral well-being, they are more dangerous than the snakes. So the option is B. The answer of question number 4 lies in this line. I have also written difficult words and their meaning in English as well as in Sindhi. Please peruse the passage which is written on the board and try to analyze the passage and find out the answers of the questions given at its end. Inshallah, it is enough for today. We will be with new topic tomorrow. Thank you.